In this video I'll be replacing a tub spigot where the shower diverter has broken off, and the first minute of this video is a little bit out of focus, but then it corrects itself. It's a very short video, so I hope you can bear with me. We use a channel lock pliers because it doesn't really matter if we damage this one since it's going to be thrown away. Remove it counterclockwise. Occasionally I've seen nipples. This is the nipple. It's a brass nipple. Occasionally I've seen those made of copper and they'll break. Fortunately this one is brass. It's going to hold well to tightening. So when I okay, so when I took it off, usually the spigot comes off and the nipple is left in the wall. This time the spigot came out of the wall. So I'm going to the vice grip on the nipple. It's a 1/2 inch brass nipple. Lock it on. Unscrew it. 2 wrenches. Nice and easy. And we'll put the nipple back in the wall. First, there's some Teflon tape on here, so I'm going to remove that and put some fresh sealant, pipe thread sealant on there. I want to put, even though there isn't very much pressure through this plumbing fitting, it's good to put sealant on both threaded ends. I'm going to use paste, pipe sealant paste. Spread it on the threads. More important when it's a high pressure water line than this, but it's good to spread it around evenly. And the hole, line it up with your fitting on the other side of the wall and hand tighten it. Now, how tight you make it will be determined by, this is what we're going to be putting on to replace it. Determined by a couple of factors. You don't want to tighten it too tight right away because you may have trouble getting your nipple to make good threaded contact with your new spigot. Putting some pipe dope on the other end here. There's a female end in there. So I get that started. That looks like we got lots of length to that pipe. So I'm just going to hand tighten it. And that should be all we have to do. Okay. Everything seems to be working. And that's how you do it.